Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you're on Windows 10 or 11 and that you know which side you want the taskbar on. First, unlock the taskbar. Right-click it and uncheck Lock the taskbar so you can move it. Then place your cursor on an empty area of the bar, click and hold, and drag toward the left or right screen edge until it snaps into position. Once done, make sure icons remain visible. If they shift, undo and try a steadier drag to engage the snap correctly. Now you refine position and appearance. Hover the cursor over the inner edge of the vertical taskbar, then click and drag to set a comfortable width. This changes how many icons are visible. Open taskbar settings to adjust icon combining, notification area items, and orientation. That explains why items may rearrange. Enable auto hide if you prefer more screen space, or lock the taskbar to prevent accidental moves. Make sure to test opening apps so the bar doesn't obscure important windows. Finish by locking the taskbar and verifying behavior across multiple display setups. If it won't stay on the side, restart Windows Explorer from Task Manager to reapply settings immediately. If problems persist, check for pending Windows updates and update GPU drivers, because display drivers can disrupt taskbar docking. As a last resort only, export the registry key and restore taskbar settings from a backup. Be cautious. One key troubleshooting tip. Restart Explorer first. It resolves most.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.